So this is a job portal which I am going to show you. So here you can so this is the freelancer job board system. So here you can search. I am looking for a freelancer project or services. Here you can easily log in or sign up. Okay, so this is the I want to hire, I want to work. Here you can check some content, check all projects. So here you can check project. Here you can check out the category which we had created for demo purpose. Here you can check some pages like for client, for freelancer. Here you can check about us, some kind of links, some social pages. These are already changeable, so you can change anything from backend easily. So now I'm going to show you admin panel. So this is the admin panel because I'm already logged in as admin. So here you can check client subscription amount, freelancer subscription amount. So this is the earning hour. So here you can check total earning from project commission. Here you can check top client package, freelancer packages, last year earning, last 30 days, statics or top running project. If we go in the project, then we can find out all project data. So this is the project which is running. Here you can check the skill required, attachment, how much price is bid, similar project, other things. We can bookmark as well. Running projects, so here we can check running project, open project, cancel request. Here we can check project category, we can add multiple category as well. After that, these are sub services which developer will add. Here you can check cancel service cancellation request. After that, here you can find out your verification request. So here you can check verification status. You can view here or you can update it. So the developer can automatically update yourself manually from email, so they can verify by email. After that we have a users chat, so here you can manage users chat. After that we have a freelancer, so these are freelancer. So here you can check name, email, package data, verification status. Here you can check balance. If you want to add or remove balance, so you can do it as well. You can view, you can log in as a freelancer, or you can delete as well. So after that we can show you freelancer packages. Here you can create new packages. After that you can check freelancer skills, freelancer badges, you can check or you can update as well. After that we have a clients. So here you can check clients, you can add or edit client wallet balance, view, log in as a client, or you can delete. Here you can check client packages, client badges. After that you can check reviews. So here you can check freelancer review, client reviews. In accounting part, here you can check project payment, package payment, service payment, freelance withdrawal request, payout, wallet request. In a in a blog system, here you can check blogs. So you can raise multiple blogs which will show on front end as well. So you can add blog category. After that, in a market, here you can add your newsletter, or here you can find out the data of emails or subscribers emails. You can delete as well. If you want to delete, then you can do it. Then we go for a website. Here you can update website header, footer. These are pages. You can update pages or you can add more pages. You can update appearance. After that, you can manage staff. So you can create a staff or you can give access to them. So you can allow them any role so they can manage all the things. So here you can make multiple roles or you can give permissions to them so they can manage. So these are permissions which you can allow them. After the settings we have, so general settings we have system name, system logo, system time zones, admin login page, and other things. After that we have activation. So here you can check project approval, force HTTP email verification, maintenance mode, or disable image encoding. All things are here. After that you can check languages. So here you can check create new language or default language. You can set up your own. Here you can manage your currency. All currencies are data here, or you can update more currency here. After that SMTP is there, so you can set up your own SMTP, so your mail system will be work. These are payment gateway like PayPal, Stripe, SSL Commerce, InstaMojo, Paystack, Flutter, Web, or Paytm. So these are already integrated. You just need to add key, then it will be work. These are third-party APIs like Facebook login, Google, Twitter, these types of login, Facebook chat system, Facebook pixel settings, Facebook command, running project chat, so you can manage with this. After that, you can check your freelancer payment, minimum amount for withdrawal request. You can update this. Then we have a refund settings, so you can manage the refund settings. So this is the complete admin which I already show you. So let me show you freelancer login. So this is the freelancer login. So here you can check balance, complete project, running project, month earning, total earning, my services, profile, milestones, running project, suggestion project, current packages, current package summary, suggestion packages if there. Okay, after the services is there, so we can reach multiple services. We can all service or source service we can check here. Here we can check project, bid it. So on which product we had bid. So here you can check that it's here. Running. So you can check running listings. So send payment request. Here you can make listings. Okay, so here you can raise your payment request. Here you can check complete, cancel project proposals. You can check it here if any there. After that, you can manage your earning, bookmark project, following client, messages, review. Here you can check your own packages, wallets. After some wallet settings, some setting which you can update here. So this is the freelancer login which I already show you. Okay, let me show you client login as well. So just seconds, let me log in a client login and then I will show you. So this is the client login. So here you can check expenses. Here you can make multiple projects. Here you can check project complete or running project data, running project suggestion freelancer. You can find out data here. Current package or suggested package. Here you can check services. If you purchase any services, then data you can find out that here. Then is cancel service. Here you can check your project or you can add multiple project here. Fixed, long term and etc data you want to add and then it will be done. Bookmark freelancer, milestone request, messages, review. Here you can manage your packages, wallets and profile settings. So this is the complete demo which I already show you. So if you have any query, then let me know. I will try to solve it. Thank you.